Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a super exciting day because we are doing an empty house tour of my brother's brand new home. I cannot wait to take you inside and show you around. So my brother and sister-in-law purchased their first home and their first-time homeowners, and how exciting. They were able to get a brand new construction and everything was nice. So the details very modern, very clean. So I think it's a blank canvas for them to customize it to their liking. And guess who's gonna be coming over to do all this work? Your girl Katie is gonna help them design their new home. And I am super excited because of course he's my brother and I'm gonna put my heart on it. I really love the open layout of this house. I love the entryway, the double doors. It is just a beautiful space, and I know that my vision is gonna come to life in this space. I cannot wait to share every single space with you, but today we have a little surprise for them. Partner with Sofatica for the first step of their living room makeover. Sofatica is a premium furniture brand specializing in modular sofas that are not just beautiful but also durable and incredibly comfortable. Their high performance fabric makes them stain resistant and easy to clean. I chose the 3-seater L sectional in white performance fabric. This sofa comes in many different configurations and also in 4 different colors. So the boys started to unlock the truck and I was super excited, you guys, because it was almost time for me to set up the new sofa here for them. And I was like, oh my God, it's gonna look so beautiful. I knew it was a perfect size for this space. And here's how the space looked before. I did a little decoration for them. I added the counter stools. If you remember from my previous video, they look better in his kitchen. So me and the hubby here, we're putting this rug that I got for this space. And it ended up being too small for my liking, so this is one of the things that we're going to be changing when we come back to finish decorating the living room. So in this area, besides this beautiful sofa that we're going to be putting, we're going to be creating an accent wall for the TV area right in front of us. So what I love about Sofatica was that this was extremely easy to put together. It came nicely packed, you guys. So I had the boys, of course, help me out because while all of this was happening, I was under the weather, but I was still pulling through, you guys. First designed with removable, dry cleanable, machine washable fabric covers for easy upkeep and a handcrafted solid birch wood frame for durability that will last you a lifetime. We repeated the same process to finish assembling the rest of the sofa. Sofa is 100% premium goods down feathers, and also the fabric is 100% linen. If you're in the market for a new cloud sofa, definitely check the link in my description box. Use my code, and the best part is that you guys could try this at your home. And if you don't like it, you have 365 days return policy with no questions asked. I love how versatile these modular sofas are. You can easily rearrange the pieces to fit any space, making it perfect for any home and layout. Plus the fabric, it's kid and pet friendly, so it is perfect for families. Wow, you guys, it looks incredible. The color, the feel, everything is perfect. I love how it looks in this space. It's exactly what I needed. It elevated this living room, and we're not even done with the design of this space, and look how beautiful it looks. I love how stylish and comfortable this sofa is. I love that the seating is super deep, as you can see here in the video, so making it very comfortable for lounging. My absolute favorite parts of this sofa, it is the functional ottoman with hidden storage. It is perfect for storing blankets, pillows, anything you want to keep out of sight. That's it for today's video. Huge shout out to Sofatica for making this space feels like a home now with this beautiful sofa. Don't forget to use my code KS50 for $50 off of your purchase. I will leave all the details in the description box below, so be sure to check them out and come back to see how we finish decorating this house.